So guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video on our JAMB Government exam revision series, we have here these 3 JAMB repeated questions to answer on the topic political process. So guys, this video will be about political socialization, political participation, and political culture. So in short, to stay till the end of this video, as this is a very important one. Let's go ahead and check out the questions here. We have here question number 1, which says, opinion sampling may be necessary for the following reasons except A, to evaluate the political strength of a political party, B, for preparing public expenditure, C, for aggregating popular thinking and standpoint on a subject matter, D, to inspire public reasoning on population census. So guys, the answer to this question is option B here, for preparing public expenditure. And that's it for this question. So let's head on to the next one, guys. So guys, over here is question number 2. It says, a referendum is a device to ensure that A, decisions are effected with the consent of citizens, B, elections are free and fair, C, legislators vote to resolve contentious issues, D, by-elections are held to fill vacant positions. So guys, the answer to this question is option A here. A referendum is a device to ensure that decisions are effected with consent of citizens, and that is for this question. So let's check out the next and last question for this video, guys. So guys, the last question for this video is question number 3 here, which says, the term lobbying refers to A, seeking to influence government decisions, B, organizing grassroots movements, C, campaigning for political office, D, advocating for social justice. So guys, the answer to this question is option A here, seeking to influence government decisions, and that is for this question. So this is where I'll end this video for today, guys. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not yet a subscriber. Also, if you have any specific question regarding this video, you can drop your question in the comment section below, and we'll sure to give you a response. So finally, guys, we want to encourage you to join our YouTube channel community, where we'll post major updates on JAMB examinations. You can join this channel community by hitting the join button below, and we'll see you right there. Thank you once again for watching this video. See you on the next one.